Welcome to Mini Toy Breaks. This episode we're going to break into 2 packs of Nitro Mites from Marvel Series 1 Heroes and Villains. Now, let's just say I know a thing or two about bikes. So I'm pretty stoked about this video. So let's get started and see what we get. Pack number 1. Now it says it also reaches up to 160 miles an hour scale speed. So if these were really regular sized bikes, they'd be going pretty darn fast. So who have I got? Dr. Doom. That is really, really cool. Now let's see how fast 160 miles an hour in mini size really is. They're not working. Oh, okay, there we go. Whoa! Let's try this again. One more time. Wow, 160 miles an hour in mini size is pretty darn impressive. So that's Dr. Doom. Bike looks pretty cool, but I don't think I'm using the proper surface for it to reach its fullest potential. Now, is this a Spider-Man? No, it is another bright green one. And this one is Iron Fist. Now, let's see if we can get these two to go. These are really cool little bikes. And I'm sure they work way better on other surfaces than on my little cloth table here. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Now, I've got some riding to do.